Have you been searching for a modern, custom-built home with no HOA? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Port St Lucie. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in Southeast Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly.
So as we're walking up to the home, something I want to bring to your attention that you wouldn't know unless you're a local to the area for a long time is that there are two major canals in Port St Lucie, the C-23 and the C-24, which are the only options in the entire city besides the St. Lucie River where you can have your own dock. And with an oversized lot, this is truly a unique property with over 2,800 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms and an office, 3.5 bathrooms, a black standing seam metal roof, which is one of the best and longest lasting roofs available, hurricane impact windows, and stunning polished porcelain flooring throughout. At the heart of the home is a gourmet kitchen with a waterfall kitchen island with veining, acrylic slab cabinetry, built-in wall oven and microwave, and a coffee bar. The master suite has a freestanding tub and walk-in shower with sliders leading directly out to the lanai for a future pool, and there is a guest suite on the opposite side of the home with its own private bath. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process.
So if you are interested in this home or something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.